I have an Electramac 3 horsepower EM300s-16 McCulloch chainsaw. The lines from the oil tank to the oil pump and then out to the chain disintegrated. I cannot find the replacement lines, which includes an inline filter in the tank out to the pump line. At least as important, I can't tell where the pump output line is supposed to go unless it disappears into the housing and attaches to the block with a tension adjustment underneath somehow. I also have this problem. Need help?
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. For the most part, these parts are no longer avail. Only certain sites will have them. Still, here is a link to the parts breakdown and part numbers, but as you see, most are unavail. http://www.searspartsdirect.com/model number/Electramac EM300s-16/0684/1503210.html. Here is a link to the oil pump. https://www.amnd.com/mac4092519.html. For the lines, you can use Tygon fuel lines, which can be purchased at any small engine repair shop or online, and the same goes for the oil filter. Let me know if you need anything else, as I am here for you. Please remember to rate me as I strive to do my best. Ratings help me to achieve this. 5-star rating is my goal and what I strive for.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.